Hi, my name is Jeff Fretz. Welcome to Axiory's news broadcast. Here's the latest high-impact market news for the week ending May 26th. Investors continue to weigh the possibility that the Fed's $85 billion a month asset purchase program could be scaled back after Chairman Ben Bernanke said Wednesday that a decision could be taken in the next few meetings. The comments came during testimony on the economy and monetary policy to the U.S. Joint Economic Committee in Washington. BOE minutes unveiled that all 9 MPC members voted for keeping the bank rate unchanged at 0.5%, a record low since March 2009. Yet 3 out of them, including Mervyn King, voted for expanding the asset purchase program by £25 billion to £400 billion. As UK's economic recovery remains fragile, it is expected that the central bank would need to expand asset purchases further later this year. Coming fundamental news for the week starting May 27th. In the week ahead, volumes look likely to remain thin on Monday with public holidays in the UK and the US. Investors will be looking ahead to data on the preliminary US GDP on Thursday. And the US is also to release data on the housing sector, consumer confidence, and initial jobless claims during the week. On Friday, OPEC meetings begin. The euro ended the day little changed against the dollar on Friday as safe haven demand was bolstered by uncertainty over whether the Federal Reserve will scale back its easing program this year. The euro hit session highs after data showed that Germany's IFO index of business climate rose in April, fueling optimism over the outlook for the Eurozone's largest economy. Investors will be looking ahead to U.S. data on the housing sector, consumer confidence, and initial jobless claims. The Eurozone is to release data on consumer inflation and unemployment rate. The dollar ended the week sharply lower against the yen on Friday, amid speculation that the Federal Reserve will scale back its asset purchase program this year. The Bank of Japan left monetary policy unchanged following its policy meeting on Wednesday. In a widely expected decision, the bank also upgraded its economic outlook, saying growth had started picking up. Investors will be looking ahead to BOG minutes as well as data on Japanese retail sales. The U.S. is to release data as well. Finishing up our broadcast is the multi-trader section. Multi-trader strategy for this week is Hawk Trade. It made it 0.46% last week, and today we have chosen its monthly gains for the last 3 months. The strategy managed to stay profitable during the last 3 months, gaining from 1 to 3% with stable performance during the last couple of years. Well, that's all for today. Tune in next week for more in-depth currency news that matters to you. Don't forget to check us out on Facebook and Twitter. Goodbye.